So one of the last steps in the harvest process is getting all the nuts that we're harvesting to the cleaning plant. So as the harvesters are filling up and our runners and shuttles are emptying them out, we have to send everything to the cleaning plant through bulk trailers. We load everything in a bulk trailer through our field elevators, either bulk grain trailers or bulk end dump trailers. Those trailers, once they come to the cleaning plant, the process starts by them dumping in our pit. From the pit, everything is elevated out and up through a de-sticker. Large sticks and debris are taken off this point. Everything goes through a two-part pre-cleaner that utilizes the first large aspirator that everything goes through, removing all the trash, debris, sticks, leaves. From that point, they go through an inspection table. Have a couple employees that take stones off, any large sticks. They go through the Forsberg de-stoner to get all the remaining stones out. From that point, they move on through and go to the dehullers. We have two dehullers in line, removing all of the stuck-on holes, any of the black holes that might still be on the nut. From the dehuller, they go through first and second aspiration. Any of the blows, lightweights, pops, loose trash and debris are finally removed at this point. They continue down the line. At this point, we have a choice. We can divert some or all of the nuts to our dryers. Our dryer bins have a capacity of 250,000 pounds a day. If we don't need to dry anything, we can still use these drying bins as inline overflow capacity, just to keep the line running at peak capacity. From that point, they continue on, come back into the main line, continue on through our inspection masters. Inspection masters are a machine that is a color sorter, optical color sorter, that removes blacks, sticks, anything that's not a good pecan. From this point, they continue up an elevator and go to our sort tables. Our sort table employees pull off broken nuts, black nuts, anything that's not a good pecan, including any rocks that have made it through. From this point, they continue on and convey to the final aspiration process, where we separate between number 1 nuts, 55% meat yield and above, and number 2 nuts, 55% meat yield and under. At this point, we fill our bins on scales. Weight is taken. Our food grade bins, we fill those up. They handle about 1,900 pound capacity. Quality samples are taken. We do all our receiving in our network. Bin tickets are placed on the bins. That includes the lot number and variety. From that point, we stage everything in our warehouse to await future bulk shipments to our processing shelling plant in Santa Cruz Valley.